a step-by-step guide how to get the formula.
Here, position of the ovary is very important. On the basis of it, you can get three types of flower is there. Hypogynous, epigynous, perigynous. In your mind, it is your mind game. Just write this. That means hypo means down, flower. The flower is in the down position, so the ovary, gyno means ovary, is the up position. That means this is the ovary and the different holes are there. The flower is like this. So this type of ovary, this is called the superior ovary. Here epi flower, that means flower is above and you can visible the clearly this part. Think about member from order cucurbitaceae. Cucurbita. You can the male and female flower is there, and the female flower, the cucurbit, you can see from the outside. This is the ovary, and the total flower is from the upside. So this is inferior ovary. Ovary. It is inferior ovary. This is very important for the floral formula. You can get the hypogynous flower where the ovary is in the superior in position, and the epigynous flower it is in the, and in the hibiscus it is the superior, because you can't see the ovary from outside, and the total flower is from this level, from the thalamus. This part is called thalamus, and everything is comes from the after downward from the ovary. So here up to this you can get the floral formula. You can cut flower in any axis many times. So this type of flower is called actinomorphic flower. Another type of flower is there, if you cut then only once, zygomorphic. Active means you can cut many times in many plants. Zygomorphic you can cut only one time, and this is the sign in the floral formula. It is given like this and it is given like this. It is a regular flower. So from this part you can get the floral formula. So the floral formula of the hibiscus flower will be here. It is bisexual because male and female part are there. It is bisexual. It is actinomorphic. The epicalyx is there. It is epicalyx. Calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. It is 5. Calyx also 5, but it is gamocephalous, jointed. Corolla, it is 5, but it is polycephalous. That's why it is, I am not giving a bracket. Bracket is given only for the gamocephalous or gamopetalous. Androecium, it is bounded, but it is enormous. That's why I am giving the infinitive sign. Here, the ovary part, I told you the ovary is in the superior position. It is, you can have a thorough knowledge after dissecting a flower, any flower. So it will give you a clear picture of that family or that flower to you.
Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.